What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to create this simple, easy, quick summer look. I say quick because a lot of times we're coming from the beach or the pool and we're just scrambling to get ready for dinner or go to a barbecue, wherever, but this is a great and easy look that you can do in minutes. Alright, I'm going to start out with some skincare because my skin is so dry. I thought it was just like a winter thing, but we're at the end of spring and it's still really dry. So I'm going to use a couple drops of our brand new limited edition Maracuja oil. The packaging's so cute, but what's awesome about this is it's got these beautiful gold flecks in it. Let me shake it up so you guys can see it. Look at this. How much fun is that? If you're someone that likes to take a selfie or pictures of your vanity, you need this oil on it because look how pretty it is. It's just so photographic, and we're just gonna hydrate my skin instantly with this. This is just pure Maracuja oil. We don't add anything else to it. There's no fragrance, nothing. And it's got those high doses of vitamin C, so it's gonna help brighten and nourish your skin. And it is so hydrating, it feels so good. So if you're someone that has super, super dry skin, definitely incorporate this into your routine, whether it be at night or before your makeup application. It's going to be your friend and help take care of your skin. Alright, now I'm going to use our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Ivory. I'm just going to put a little bit on. This is great for summer too because it's got SPF 15 in it, so it's going to keep your skin covered and protected from UV rays. I just like to literally draw it right on, boop, boop, and then buff it right in. Now I'm going to brighten, highlight, and conceal with our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to apply this with our Shaper Contour Sponge. Now I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows using our Busy Gal Brow Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Black Brown. I'm just going to literally comb it through and it's going to fill in and shape my brows. Now I'm going to contour using the shade Chisel from our Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette. Now I'm going to highlight using the shade Burst from that same palette. Now we're going to move on to eyes, and we're going to be using our Tartelette in Bloom palette. We're going to wet our shadow brush and we're going to pick up the shade Funny Girl and apply this all over our lid and crease. Now I'm going to apply a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Alright, now all we need is a lip. I'm going to be using our Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick in the shade Cha Cha. It's a brand new shade and it's like a bold corally orangey red. It's so pretty. Look at this. This is my ideal summer lipstick shade. So there you have it, tartlets, a quick and easy summer look. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets.